Hello and welcome to Social Selling. We're going to be talking about how to use Zoom today. So you can easily go to this website, zoom.us, and if you go to zoom.us, you land right here. Now, you can sign up. It's totally free. You just click sign up. It's free, and you put in your work address, you press sign up, or you can sign up with Google or Facebook, or you can sign in. I already have an account, so I could just press sign in, or you can also download the meetings client. It's very important for you to do this. Really easy. You click on download and you can download the meetings, the client right over here. So I'm going to click download. It'll download the latest version. I recommend you going here to download the latest version to make sure that you have the latest version available. So if you press download, a little box will pop up on the bottom and it will start downloading. Really, really easy. If you have an account, just press sign in and then sign in with your account. As you can see, I signed in. Those are my meetings. Those are my accounts. Those are my webinars. That's my information once you sign in. Okay, so now once you're logged in, it'll show you my account, host a meeting, join a meeting. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull up the software that I have, and this is what the software looks like. You see? I have Zoom Pro. I have a Pro account, which costs me $15 a month or so. I also have a Zoom Webinar account, which adds another $40 a month or so to it. So this is what it looks like when you're logged in. If you want to log out, you click here, and you can log out. Okay, so as you have settings, you have all types of stuff going on. I love going through my settings because in my settings, I'm able to, a dialog box pops up. I'm able to check out my general settings, my video settings, my audio settings, and this is my video right now. Hello, everybody. And you could even have a virtual background here. I'm going to click virtual background to be social selling. So these are all images that I created because I'm doing social selling now. I can do this. You see? Recording, you can show it where it should record things to. As you can see, mine's recording it directly to /document/zoom. I have 98 gigabytes remaining, and then you can have advanced features, statistics, and so on. If you can't hear something, you can go here to your audio and mess around. You can change the different microphones, you can change different speakers right here. You could tell it to automatically join audio when joining a meeting, or automatically mute, or press the space bar. You have a lot of options over here. Same thing with your video. You can enable mirror effect, or you can disable mirror effect. You can enable HD, and so on and so forth. And then in the general settings, you can tell it what to do here. So I highly recommend you kind of go through these one time so that you learn how to use this. If you want to join a meeting, you click join, and it asks you for the meeting ID. So this little thing will pop up. It just asks you for the meeting ID, and you press join. If you want to create a new meeting, and this is something that I like doing all the time, is creating new meetings and recording videos of myself. You don't actually need a massive video recorder. You can click on this little button and join a meeting with yourself. I join with computer audio, or you can dial in with your phone. I'm pressing join with computer audio, and down over here you can mute yourself. You can stop the video if you want, and it'll show the image. This image is being pulled from your account. If you want to know how to get to your account, you can just click right over here and then go to my account. Click on settings, or click on your profile, and you can change your account settings right here. Okay, I'm going to close that, and I'm going to get right back to this right over here. Okay, so as you can see, I have my meetings. These are my meetings that are coming up today. So I'm going to go back to my meeting. So let's say I want to change my microphone. I can click here, and I can choose any microphone that I want. I can choose this microphone, this microphone. I can choose these speakers. I can do audio settings, which is basically taking you back to your settings. So you can select your audio settings, change your input and output levels. Same thing with video. You can choose your webcam that you want, and you can change your video settings and your virtual background. You can invite other people, and if you want to record, you can record either on the cloud or on this computer. I like recording on this computer. So let's say I want to record a quick video of myself. I click on Start Video, and then I click in here, and I look at the screen, Alt-R, right? Alt-R, see the shortcut? It says Alt-R. So I click on here, and I'm like, hello! Let me see, recording will not include audio, because, oh, I'll tell you why. Because right now I'm recording myself doing a recording, so it's just not going to work. Or I could unmute myself. But that's the bottom line. This is the way that this works. If you click more, you could also send it to Facebook and so on. And with webinars, you even have more information available to you. So I'm going to end this meeting here, end meeting for all, and it's actually going to record. It's going to record. It's going to transcribe them. It's going to put the meeting in a folder. You see? Now the meeting has a video and an audio clip, and I can quickly use that. Very, very fast. So this is the idea. If you want to see the chat, you can have a chat feature. You want to see meetings, you can see your future meetings that you have coming up, and you can even add contacts here, both company and non. But what I want to teach you, the reason I want you to learn how to use Zoom is because it's important for you to know how to use this application. You see? This application allows you to change your features and be able to connect with people and record. Hopefully this was useful to you, and hopefully you now know how to use Zoom. Let's say, for example, you sign into your Zoom, right? You go to learn.socialselling.com/live-coaching. And you sign in. Okay, what will happen is it'll pop open like this. If you have Zoom installed, it'll pop open like this, and you press open, and it'll open up right over here. You can join with computer audio. You're probably not going to see this because you are not signed in as me. So I'm going to sign out as myself. I'm going to end meeting. I'm going to sign out as myself. I'm going to sign out of this. And now I'm going to go back here. And let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Okay. It says launching. Zoom installer. Let me go back here. Learn/live coaching. All right, open. It'll open. Okay, join with computer audio, or you can dial in by phone. I'm going to press join with computer audio. Okay, so this, you're joining as a participant. Why is this joining as me? I wonder why this is joining as me if I signed out of this. That's strange. Oh, because maybe I'm signing into the website. Let me sign out of the website. Yeah, I'm signed into the website. Let me sign out of the website. Sign out. Okay. All right, let's try this again. Learn.socialselling.com/live-coaching. You're an attendee. You already installed the software. Now it asks you for your name and email. So enter your email and name. Email is info@socialselling.com. Okay. Join a webinar. Please wait for the host to start this webinar. All right, that's what you're going to get. You're going to get, well, please wait for the host to start this webinar. Now, this might disappear behind this window. Or behind this window, right? It disappears. Or it gets minimized. And you're like, oh, where'd it go? Very simple. You hold down the Alt key, and then you press Tab, and you can look for it. See, it just pops up. This could pop up, that could pop up, and you have the pop-up. And you can test your speaker here. It'll open up the settings, you can see. And there you go. Test the audio and the speakers. Hopefully you found this valuable. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to get out of this, you click on X. It'll say, do you want to leave this meeting? So you leave meeting. Alright, thank you very much for watching this. I'll talk to you guys soon. This has been another social selling tutorial.